Hello and welcome to this video on how to get rich in a recession. In times of economic hardship, it can be challenging to maintain financial stability, let alone grow wealth. However, history has shown that some of the wealthiest people in the world have built their fortunes during recessions. In this video, we will discuss some practical strategies that you can use to create wealth even in a recession. Build a strong financial foundation. 1. The first step to building wealth in a recession is to establish a strong financial foundation. 1. This means creating a budget, reducing expenses, and saving money. 1. A recession is a time when everyone feels the financial pinch, and it is essential to be mindful of your spending. 1. Reducing your expenses will help you to save money, which you can then use to invest in income-generating assets. Invest in stocks. 1. One of the most common ways to invest money is through the stock market. 1. While stock prices tend to fluctuate in a recession, history has shown that the stock market has always rebounded over time. 1. Therefore, investing in stocks during a recession can be an excellent way to build wealth. 1. However, it is crucial to do your research and invest in companies that are financially stable, with strong balance sheets and cash reserves. Invest in real estate. 1. Real estate is another excellent investment opportunity during a recession. 1. Property prices tend to drop during a recession, and this presents an opportunity to buy property at a lower price. 1. Once the economy rebounds, the property value will likely increase, and you can sell the property for a profit. 1. Alternatively, you can rent out the property, generating passive income. Start a business. 1. Starting a business is another way to build wealth during a recession. 1. While starting a business is never easy, recessions can present opportunities to start a new venture. 1. For example, if people are struggling financially, there may be a demand for low-cost products or services. 1. Additionally, you may be able to secure funding or loans at lower interest rates during a recession. Invest in yourself. 1. Investing in yourself is an excellent way to build wealth, even during a recession. 1. This means acquiring new skills or certifications that will make you more valuable in the job market. 1. During a recession, many people may lose their jobs, and having valuable skills will make you more marketable to potential employers. 1. Additionally, acquiring new skills may present opportunities for entrepreneurship or consulting. Look for opportunities to save money. 1. During a recession, it is essential to look for opportunities to save money wherever possible. 1. For example, you can negotiate lower interest rates on loans or credit cards. 1. Additionally, you can shop around for the best deals on essential items, such as groceries and utilities. 1. Every penny saved can be used to build wealth, so it is essential to be mindful of your spending. Be patient. 1. Building wealth during a recession takes time and patience. 1. It is essential to remain focused on your goals and continue to make smart financial decisions. 1. The stock market, real estate, and businesses will take time to generate returns, and it is essential to be patient and persistent. It can be tempting to make rash financial decisions in the hope of making a quick profit, but this can often lead to financial ruin. It is essential to remain focused on your long-term financial goals and to make smart financial decisions that align with those goals. For example, investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth during a recession, but it is important to invest in financially stable companies with a strong track record of growth. It is also important to diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. The stock market may experience fluctuations during a recession, but over the long term, it has always rebounded, and investing in the right companies can lead to significant returns. Similarly, investing in real estate during a recession can be a great way to build wealth, but it is essential to be patient and wait for the right opportunity. Property prices may drop during a recession, but it is important to research the market carefully and invest in properties that are likely to increase in value once the economy rebounds. Starting a business during a recession can also be a great way to build wealth, but it is important to be patient and persistent. Starting a business is never easy, and it may take time to generate a profit. However, by focusing on providing value to your customers and being persistent in your efforts, you can create a successful business that generates significant wealth over time. Investing in yourself is another way to build wealth during a recession, but it is important to be patient and committed to your personal and professional development. Acquiring new skills and certifications can take time and effort, but they can open up new opportunities for entrepreneurship or consulting, which can generate significant income over time. Being patient when building wealth during a recession is essential to achieving long-term financial success. It is important to remain focused on your goals, make smart financial decisions, and be persistent in your efforts. While the road to financial success may be long and challenging, with patience and determination, you can achieve your financial goals and build significant wealth even during a recession. In conclusion, building wealth during a recession is possible, but it requires a different approach than during a period of economic growth. By establishing a strong financial foundation, investing in stocks and real estate, starting a business, investing in yourself, looking for opportunities to save money, and being patient, you can create wealth even during a recession. Remember that the road to financial success is not always smooth, but with perseverance and determination, you can achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful.